Apple is planning to change the design of its upcoming iPhones, including the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, as well as the 16 Pro and Pro Maximum. There's a controversial design move. The back camera of the iPhone 16 Pro might have a fidget spinner-like appearance. Instead of 3 separate camera lenses, Apple seems to be incorporating a single structure resembling a fidget spinner onto the camera module. The new design for the iPhone 16 Pro's back camera has all the camera lenses connected in a way that looks like a fidget spinner. It's quite unique for Apple, but personally, I don't find it very attractive. However, there's a second variation of the same leak where the glass behind the camera lenses is now triangular, resembling a fidget spinner. The new design for the iPhone 16 Pro's back camera resembles the YouTube play button, in my opinion. This variation looks cleaner and better than the first one. However, none of this is confirmed yet because Apple is still trying out different looks. According to the source, Apple will change the back camera design for the 16 Pro and Pro Max. But as for the front design, there won't be any changes to the notch this year. We have some leaked material for the iPhone 16, the non-Pro 16, and the 16 Plus. From the camera module design, it seems they will have a vertical orientation, which matches previous leaks. Apple is focusing heavily on AI with the iPhone 16 series. According to the latest news, the Apple A18 chip will feature an incredibly powerful AI neural engine. The NPU is crucial for generative AI features, which is why Apple is upgrading the NPU significantly with the iPhone 16 series. Speaking of AI, a new report from Ma G-Man confirms the AI enhancements coming to iOS 18 and iPadOS 18. According to the report, with iOS 18, users will be able to automatically generate playlists in Apple Music and presentation slides in the Keynote app. I'm excited to see how Apple's AI compares to Galaxy AI in terms of exciting features. As for the leaked designs for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, it's hard to say if Apple is making the right choice or a big mistake. We'll have to wait and see how people react once it's official. Thanks for tuning in, have a great day, and keep smiling.